Welcome back to another video. So in the last video I said I bought biscuits, so I got these biscuits from my culinary department at school, so we're gonna make sandwiches out of these. Lego. I got to say I'm making my own breakfast sausage. I knew that breakfast sausage was pork, but I didn't know it was like ground pork. I don't know what I was thinking, so we're gonna make our own breakfast sausage. So to keep these biscuits warm, because I bought them like Thursday, and to make sure they don't dry out, we're gonna wrap these up in foil and put these in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes, just to warm them back up, make sure they're not and all I'm going to do is put these bad boys up here like this. So to make my type of breakfast sausage, again, I don't look at recipes, I just go off of it. So I know breakfast sausage is going to have a few signature ingredients. So I got some pork, obviously, because it's sausage. We're going to add in some brown sugar for the sweetness. A little bit of salt. Red pepper. So I didn't have sage, but usually for that signature breakfast sausage taste, it's dried sage and thyme. But I got Italian seasoning, so it's gonna have that signature, but add a little more, so it's like a sweet, savory Italian type of sausage. It's okay. It's gonna taste good regardless. Some onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, doing some chili powder, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in half a lemon for a burst of like freshness, a burst of freshness. So just a little bit. Just like that. Okay. I got a seed in it. There we go. I'm going to also add in a little bit of olive oil. Now we mix. Ugh. Take the paper out. So it's been mixed up. We're gonna let this sit for about a couple minutes, and usually you can break them up into patty form. So once I'm done making here, I'm gonna break them up into patty forms and freeze them. You can freeze these up to 6 months. Just want to say, this bad boy looks fire. So for our potatoes, we got some potatoes. We're gonna dice these potatoes up. The potatoes are cut, and what we're going to do is we're going to run these under some water and pop these in the microwave for about 5 minutes to let the inside. So this recipe, I used to make this recipe literally all the time when I was in college. So I used to cut these up, pop these in the microwave, let them cook in the inside, dry them out, and pop them in the skillet. I'm going to add a little bit left over of the bacon grease. We're going to add my famous rub that I always use, my homemade rub that I made. So we're just going to sprinkle that up in there. With egg prices and everything, man, cost me about $400,000. We're gonna crack open 4 eggs. So we're gonna start by cooking the potatoes first. I'm just gonna put the pot with a little bit of bacon grease again. We're gonna add in some bell peppers, onions, and garlic, and add in your potatoes. So, got these bad boys cooking. The best way to let them cook is just to let them sit. Drop them up in there. And now, this is how the sausage looks. The homemade breakfast sausage. Let me tastes better than any sausage I buy from the store. And add our eggs. So how I like to cook my eggs. A lot of people say they don't like it because it's brown. I don't really care. So I'm gonna add some cheese into it. Already, I like to throw all the cheese. So this is cut up, shredded up Monterey Jack. And now we're just gonna stir. Gonna stir these bad boys up. Alright, so some people gonna say I'm weird, but I like my eggs with a little brown in them. We're gonna add the maple syrup aioli. Add the eggs. And add your potatoes. Yep, look at how good this looks. Oh my gosh, look like it just came out of a restaurant. We gotta get a breakfast sandwich to taste first. Look how good that bad boy look. The nice buttery biscuits, so good and flavorful and flaky. With the aioli, it's a nice sweet creaminess that undercuts the richness of the butter. But then the sausage, that sausage is so good. It's so flavorful with the brown sugar. You taste the sage with the onion powder. Then the eggs are gonna be great because I love my eggs. I always put ketchup on my potatoes when I eat breakfast, so I'm not gonna change it up now. I'm telling you, tastes like restaurant style, for sure. Hope you guys continue to like and subscribe and just do this YouTube channel. Just want to say, man, keep the vibes good and the eats even better. Peace. Oh yeah, about to get thrashed. Look at that.